is delivery day for our workshop building. We've got the driveway cleared and just waiting for the guys to show up. And we've got lots of space in here. Need to finish laying out desk space, CNC space, build some upper storage, which is why we went with the barn design, because we've got lots of height up there. And the window on this side, besides being able to see the water a little bit down there, was primarily put here for a window AC unit, at least for the time being. So it's the inside of a shed, nothing too spectacular, but I'm looking forward to the projects. This was a tight fit. This is a 12 by 20 barn design shed. Getting this down here was snug. The folks that did this have been doing this a long time. I was impressed. Came together pretty well. Took about 6 weeks from the moment I ordered it to completion. We did have to support the rear, and what I will be doing is getting some lattice and kind of cleaning that up so it looks a little nicer, just visually. But came together really well. So, future videos, we need to get electric out here, we need to get lights out here, we need to get some AC and some heat for the wintertime, and a whole lot of cool projects that are on the drawing board. And there is a storm coming through, I can hear the thunder. Thanks very much for taking a look.